Hey, do you ever have plantar fasciitis? Or do you ever have one of those days after running or working out on the treadmill, the next day you feel like a sharp pain under your foot? Then you want to watch this video. I'm going to show you how to use this to help alleviate that discomfort underneath your foot. You don't want to miss this. If this ever happened to you, you're walking up the stairs or walking down the stairs, and you're like, you feel something sharp underneath the arch of your foot. That can very likely be plantar fasciitis. I can't diagnose you, check with your primary care physician, but very likely you may have that, and chances are you're watching this video because you have pain underneath your foot. And that can also tie into low back health too, and even everything else in between. All right, so what you're gonna need to help start to alleviate that is gonna be something like a lacrosse ball, baseball, you could even use golf balls. You can put it underneath the arch of your foot. Once I have it underneath the arch of my foot, I'm gonna roll and put pressure on this ball. Once I find pressure, I'm gonna try to hang out like say 30 to 40 seconds. I can go anywhere underneath my foot, underneath my big toes, my little toes, all the way back close to the heel of my foot. And again, you're gonna want to hold this for about 30 to 40 seconds. And then what I would love for you to do is to compare the side that you had the discomfort, the sharp pain with the other side. You may be surprised how your other leg, your other foot's already compensating. So we're gonna nip that right in the bud. Option two with doing this, you can do it standing and you can put more weight. So basically the message is this: if you're working from home, you have an office setting, or you have a standing desk, there is no reason why you can't do this while you're working. So there you go, I just gave you the solution, or one of many solutions. What you want to do is practice ball rolling every day, add a couple of unilateral exercises for the lower body, including hip and hip hinges, work your posterior chain a little bit more, and you can see all of those cool videos on my YouTube channel too. I have a playlist that can accommodate all levels of fitness. So tell me what you think. Post your comments, and please don't forget to subscribe.